So this is my first narrated video. Um, Not what I usually make because I just usually want people to enjoy the elevator ride, but I got something pretty cool to show you. First off, this building actually has staircases named after different levels of the seafloor. So this is the ocean. I'll show you down below. But yeah, this just looks like a normal ride on Otis Gen 2, but let me show you what's in the parking garage here. Pretty empty down here, but it's nighttime, so it's to be expected. Let's see, this level is called the Continental Crust. Interesting educational staircase. But none of this is what we're here to see, because over here there's a real treat. I wonder what this could be. Do you recognize that? Or this? Yep, I believe this is the parts to an Otis Gen 2 that are about to be installed. This looks like door stuff. That's the motor. There's the counterweight frame. There's the actual doors. We'll get a closer look later. This is the bottom of the car. So the car would sit right here, and this is the where the underslung belts go. See, they go through there and around this pulley, and then up the shaft like that. There's the controller. So more stuff here. Not sure what that is. Probably a door parts. It's a controller. You can see there's an inspection control. This looks like it's going to be installed in a machine room, not in the side of the door. There's an Otis. Doesn't have a model number that I can see, so I don't know what kind of controller that is. Here's another look at the controller. Some rails there. And here's the actual elevator. Let's see if we can see in. Now, I don't want to hang around here too long, but we'll see. Here's some more parts. Some sort of cabling there. Might be Gen 2 belts, I don't know. I think these are counterweight parts. Tools. I think these are the car interiors. So like, have these panels. Very thin and lightweight. You can see they're all packaged this way to make the installation very smooth and easy. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, this is really rare, and I'm surprised they leave it all out, considering that this is a public parking garage. And I should mention that this building actually opened, I think, like 3 or 4 years ago, and the other elevator that I came in on was installed at that time. So I'm not sure if this is an elevator they just never installed, or if they really just wanted to, or maybe they wanted to install it later, or maybe it broke down and they had to take the whole thing apart. I really hope not, but it's possible. I don't know exactly where that elevator is going to lead to, but I think it might lead into the school building. Um, but I'll come back here later and see if there's any more progress, or maybe it might be open to, I highly doubt it's going to be open to the public, unlike this elevator, but we'll see in a few months. So let's head back up. These upper floors are for the school, and they're all locked. It's a card reader. The elevator's a little noisy, but it's a smooth ride. And this is the outside of the school building. It's a fairly modern building. Let me zoom out for you. I think that's the gym. There's just some modern playing equipment. And over there is the old middle school. So I'm gonna walk around the building and see if I can find where the other where the top door for the other elevator is, and I will let you know if I find it. Okay, so I found the top of the elevator. It turns out it's right in front of the front door. That's the wood panels there. This is some really neat architecture right here. I gotta be kind of careful here because the name of the school is on the wall here, and I don't really want to encourage people to try to come and find this place, because I don't want people to know that like there's a pile of elevator parts sitting around in the basement and try to steal it. But here's another one of the stairways, and it's actually unlocked. It's interesting at this time of night. Here's some chalk drawing. And